Welcome to a Bitesize Belly Dance with Natasha. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the Egyptian Shimmy. So the Egyptian Shimmy is your massive earthquake shimmy and looks a bit like this. Okay, so let's break this one down. We want to start with our belly dance stance. We want parallel feet. We're not, however, going to bend those knees. We're going to keep them nice and straight. We're going to keep that tummy nice and tucked in. Lift that chest up, bring those shoulders up, back and down. Now, what I want you to do from here, like I said, you're keeping these legs straight. We're not locking them. You don't want to lock those knees, but you're keeping straight legs. You're taking those legs back and forward, one and then the other. So almost like you're on the elliptical machine. It's one then the other. And you only want, for your Egyptian shimmy, a slight bend in those knees. You don't really want to bend into it. Keep those legs straight. So we're going to start off nice and slow, then we're going to double that speed. So we're going 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, double up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now as you speed up, your legs will be able to stay straighter as you're bringing them back. So for example, as you bring it up to full speed, if you notice, my legs aren't really bending at all now. I've still not locked my knees, but I'm keeping those legs straight. So if you start off nice and slow, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, double that speed up, and then the faster you get, the bigger that shimmy will be. Really drive those heels into the ground. Keep your feet grounded. And yes, you should expect everything to wobble, your tummy, your chest, underneath your chin, your cheeks. Sometimes I do this and I can feel my eyeballs wobbling. So again, you can bring your hands out there, bring them up. But the faster you go, the bigger that shimmy will be. Now with the Egyptian shimmy, you want to use this for a really big accent. So it differs from this little shimmy. I will show you how to do this little shimmy in the next video, but let me know how you're getting on with that Egyptian shimmy. And if there's anything else, any questions you have about it, just ask and I will be more than happy to give you a hand. Okay, I will speak to you later.